Why is it always broken? Got a check engine light on the truck, and it's for a knock sensor, rear sensor, bank 2, low circuit. So we're gonna do the cheap fix. So I have a pinout sheet for the wires. Light blue is knock sensor rear, and knock sensor signal front is dark blue. So now we're gonna take the wire that would come out of the plug into the rear sensor and tap it into that sensor. So now both of them are going to be reading off the good sensor. Instead of pulling the intake manifold off, changing the knock sensor, and then we're going to clear the code. All right, blast the cover off, and then you'll find the plug. I just unclipped it, but it sits right there. And then these are your 2 wires. So what I did was I cut it, and son of a bitch. I'm gonna strip it, and then I'm gonna tap it into this wire, because light blue was the rear, and this part needs to read this wire going into the front sensor. So we're gonna forget that blue one, like it never existed. That goes to the bad knock sensor. This dark one's the good one, so then this one will tap into there and read the good sensor. Okay, so I just connected that, and he shrunk but connected it. That wire we're gonna do nothing with. We're gonna plug this back in. So that's clipped back into its spot. So now the PCM wants to read that bad one, and now it's not connected, so now it's connected into a good one. You would do the opposite if the other sensor was bad. So there we go. Shove that back on there. Okay. I'm not confident that the light's going to be out until I clear the code, but here's a try. Yep, light's still on. I don't have the code reader here, so we're gonna go get the code reader. That was the code. Light out. It would come back immediately before. No fault codes. As soon as you cleared it, it would come back on. So, done.